Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID account name. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you updated your name, maybe you got married or divorced, or it just doesn't have the name that you want it to, you can always update it. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to be able to do that in different locations. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on your name at the top. It should have your name and Apple account. Tap on that. Tap on Personal Information at the top. Tap on Name at the top. You can see it has my first and last name. You can update this to whatever you want. And when you're ready, tap the blue check mark at the top right. This will update the Apple account name. However, there's other places that you probably want to update your name as well associated with your Apple account. After you're done, tap the check mark. I'm not going to update my name right now. Tap on the back arrow to go back to the beginning of your settings. Tap on your name again at the top. Tap on Payment and Shipping. You'll need to use your Face ID to open this up. And now tap on Shipping Address at the bottom. You can see it shows my first and last name in addition to my home address. You probably want to update your name in here as well. Essentially, this is your shipping information that is associated with your Apple account and your name. After you've updated that, tap the back arrow until you get to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, scroll down until you get to Messages, tap on Messages, scroll down, tap on Share Name and Photo. You can see it has my photo on here, and if I scroll down, you can see name and photo sharing. I have this turned on, and your first name and last name, and you can choose to share that automatically with contacts or to always ask. Essentially, this is the name on your iPhone when you text or call somebody that pops up. Let's update that name as well associated with your account. To do that, exit out of the Settings app and open up the Phone app on your iPhone. Tap on Contacts in the bottom center. Tap on your name at the top where it says My Card. You can see my name here. Tap on Edit at the top right. And then tap on the name, the first name or the last name. You can update it here as well. Again, this is where essentially people see your name when you text them or they text you, in addition to calling as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.